been trading pumpfun meme coins for over 1.5 years now, and I'm averaging around $100,000 every single month trading meme coins. And in this 5-minute tutorial, I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to know to be successful trading meme coins. The first thing you need to do, guys, is make sure that you use my link in the description for access. It's going to give you the best fees, and it's the fastest meme coin platform to get in and out of these meme coins there is out there. All right, first of all, guys, we need to be tracking profitable wallets. Tracking wallets is the key to my success. All these wallets down here have people that make over 1 million, well, 100,000 to 1 million per month with a high success rate. What I'm going to do for you guys, I'm going to put these, a handful of these, in the description. All of them goes in the inner circle. If you want to know about the inner circle, DM me on Instagram. Now, first thing, guys, we need to make sure that new pairs has no filters on, right? But we need to get our fees right, because we want fees to get us in the fastest, but also we don't want to be spending too much money on fees because it would take our profit margin down. Now, very simple. We want our gas fee 0.001 and our bribe 0.001, but we need slippage at 60%, so we're getting these coins fast. And apart from that, we want no filters on new pairs. But for final stretch, we need our filters. So let's jump straight into our filters. We want volume minimum 3,000, okay? Market cap minimum 6,000, all right? And then we also want maximum 6 minutes, but this is if it's really a lot of volume on the day. But in a nutshell, you don't want to be scrolling down too much here. Sometimes that amount of time could be 10 minutes, it could be 6, all depends on the volume of the day. Migrations, you're not putting nothing on the migrations. All right, so straight into trading now. We're looking for something new, something unique, and something different, guys. So we look through here, right? And we see, okay, cool, this is getting a bit of volume as well. We jump on, we have a look, we see, okay, you know this is a big bundle because you see that big candle there, that and all these little candles, that means a bundle. We go straight back off, guys. Also, what I like to do at the start of my day, I like to look on all the migrated and see what's the narrative. What is the common theme, okay? If you look, it seems like Valentine, what is it? I'll have to look into all this, but animals and Valentine, which I know something to do with Elon Musk. All right, let's go. So keep looking through, and anything that pops up here that goes to the top, I'm going to immediately investigate, because that means it's going to be coming in from new pairs to final stretch fast with volume. So we want to check and have a look. And if you are new, the best strategy is, guys, to make sure that you only buy here. So it's under 6K market cap. Why I say that for is if you're buying under 6K market cap, it goes down to 5K. What is that? Like 10%, 20%? Okay, but if you buy up here at like 300K market cap, this can go right down to, back down to 5K market cap, which you can lose basically 99% of whatever you put in. All right, but when you do get a big experience, I'm going to show you a really good strategy now to buy in the migrated. All right, so let's jump in. I'll show you a really good strategy now on here. So migrated is basically, it goes to radium. Basically anyone can buy at around about sometimes 100K, 90K, 100K market cap, depends on the volume. So when this went to, for instance, now this went to, this is a really good strategy. So this went to, all right, cool. Here, probably migrated about 114K market cap, right? Now I want to get in when it comes back to retest the migration. Okay, look at here. So I've seen the volume that come in, it went right through to migration and it bounced back. Here's when you want to get into these migrated coins on the retracement in, as it goes up, sell your initials on a 2x and let the rest ride. So obviously I can't tell you everything in this 5-minute video. That is just the basics, and that can get you successful making money in meme coins. If you want a full in-depth tutorials, access to a group, we have an inner circle. If you DM me on Instagram and say inner circle, I'll give you all the details.